I don't care how old I get. I ain't gonna never be ready for no pap. Okay? Yeah. Come on in. Nice to meet you. That damn girl left the damn thing on my pants.
You can't get enough and you don't know why.
Hello guys. I have an appointment today and it's just a tad bit nippy outside. And I wanted to wear my vest. And nothing says cold like, come on, shoe, my little fur hat. So I'm gonna grab my little handy dandy sheen coat because it's nippy out there, okay? Okay, we in this thing. I swear they always got something going on over here. Got my little phone situation set up. Hey, I'm getting this thing, y'all. I'm getting this thing. But I got this little baggie, a little K Jewelers little baggie I'm repurposing. I had to take, the little thing off the camera. So other than sitting it in here so it can fall or get dirty or something, I'm going to put it in there, and, so I can keep up with it. But yeah, it's a little nippy, but I'll probably be taking this off because this right here is kind of warm too, and I'm not walking long distance, so yeah, we'll see. Oh, I'm in the garage. Baby, I'm so happy that's over because I don't care how old I get. I ain't gonna never be ready for no pap. Okay? Like, I really don't understand what the sense of privacy is after the pap, after you done been where you've been. Okay? Ooh. They leave out and say, I'm gonna give you a little time to get dressed. Knock on the door to make sure you're dressed. If they come back in before you finish getting dressed, they're like, oh, I'm so sorry, baby. You just been all in. The hell? Come on in. Nice to meet you. Thought about Family Dollars and found some goodies for the garden. Okay. Ooh. But I don't want this video to be too long, so if you want to check that out, you can check this video out right here. And when available, it'll be posted. Okay, the next stop I'm making is to go return these daggone American Eagle jeans that were the wrong size. They don't fit like I want them to fit. Okay. Woo! I can't never just go in the store and return some shit. Spend a whole extra $40 doing a return. So I made my acai bowl. $13. And it's gonna be good to the last drop, okay? Okay. I had to do that TikTok video first because, baby, that wasn't working out. Back and forth, back and forth. Go ahead and get that out of the way. But first of all, yeah, I already took off that thing because it's a little hot in here. So take off all your clothes. But first of all, it's time to show y'all why I love American Eagle pants now. Oh my gosh. They're now my favorite jeans. And I didn't even realize that I had a pair. Anywho, this is a pair. And this is I got a pair of Mom Fit. It's called Mom Fit in the inside. But I don't think these are. I forgot what these. Oh, this is Athletic Fit. But I love them because now they have this next level stretch that just holds you. And I don't like to have that little thing right there. Like sometimes you can get a pants that say 28 or something like that. Because I'm 28 right here. And you can get it and it'll still have that little thing right there. I don't like it. I don't like it, and I don't feel like I should have to waste no money to get nothing altered. But yeah, let me back up so you can see. But these are regular, I think, because I started to get the short, and I realized, hey, you getting a little short, like it can be high water. So I got the regular, but they fit like a glove. And like I said, today I went back to do supposed to be an exchange, but I can never go in there and just exchange something and walk out. I always got to find something that costs more than what I initially brought in there. But I ended up spending $40 more than what I went in there for. And she would call me right now, but she's gonna have to wait. Yep, she's gonna have to wait. My daughter's gonna have to wait because I've been playing tic-tac, paddywhack, trying to answer her phone for about an hour now. And I gotta get this out. She don't be wanting it. But this one right here is the next level stretch. And this is the high rise skinny kick. Skinny kick. So it's not flare, but it's like a straight leg, I guess. Whatever. But I'm gonna show you how these look right here. Let me take these off. Leave my remote. Okay, and the ones I took off, they were, I think, $39. These right here were $49. Yeah, you see that? I love it. So they fit, but they're not too tight, and I still have stretch in it. But yeah, these are $49, and these ones I'm getting ready to put on, I actually had the size down because it's supposed to be the dreamy drape baggy look, but I still wanted it to fit up here. So the rest are a size 8. This is a size 4 with the 27 waist. Regular, super high rise. But it's a size 4. With the cargo pockets on the side. So let me put these on. And this is how these look. I don't really own a pair of baggy pants. So I said, when I saw them, I said I want to get them. It's not giving 27 waist, but they still fit like I want them to fit. I ain't cut that shirt in like it's supposed to be anyway. I might take them off anyway. But yeah, this is how they fit. See the bottom. And like I said, I think these were, I told you the price, but just to make sure. Yeah, these were $59. Oh, wait a minute, and I forgot I got one more pair that I exchanged, but I didn't put on when I went and got the original ones. I took out an outfit that I wanted to put on with my little pearl cowboy boots or whatever, and this is what I'm wearing with that. So I put it on the hanger already. But these are the Airflex Ultra Soft Athletic Fit, and I got this out of the men's section on the men's side, and this is a 28 waist, 30 length. So yeah. Oh, how much was these? I think these were $49. Yeah, I think these were $49. Could be $59, but I think $49. Let me show you how these look. I'm enjoying this little big remote. Okay, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video right here, because I'm almost over it. Almost. These are the light, like an acid wash. And when I tell you they feel good, and they hug me, and they, you know how you put on a pair of pants, they hug you, but they hug you and you can't hardly move, and they tight, they uncomfortable tight. This ain't that. I don't like that. But yeah. But yeah. American Eagle is now my favorite jeans, okay? Whew. yeah, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because I know if I keep talking, it's gonna go into something else, and then I'm gonna be fighting for my life when it's time to edit this thing. Okay, so if y'all haven't checked out the Curvy collection and the next level stretch, which is including the girls with, you know, some curves and not trying to squeeze them in them box cuts. But yeah, if y'all haven't checked it out, check it out. American Eagle say they doing their thing. But stay tuned for the next video. And be you. Only you can do it best and just live. Why? Because that's the message. See you in the next one. Y'all, tell me what I just realized. That damn girl left the damn thing on my pants. Ooh. She's so worried about being in my business. She done left the damn thing on the pants.
My bills paid, rent paid,